Yeah, have you got one? I weren't sure if I saw you using it.
How much redneck are you?
I'm very redneck, mate.
All I've done with them studs.
I'll let somebody else talk about that.
Not sure where the carrier.
Any progress yet?
You what?
What do you mean? We've done loads of progress.
Will you?
Listen here. Shut your mouth, you ginger bitch. I wish you'd not talk to Andy like that.
I'm only here, you know. You don't have to shout at me.
What have you done? What?
Oh, some people doesn't.
You know what? I'm thinking we might have to go red for the car.
Are you mental? Blue's obviously the fastest colour.
Are you fucking mental, though?
It's good job I brought him.
Oh god.
You okay, hon?
You okay, babe?
Inbox me, XOXO. Just see like a red fountain. All on top of a car.
Like,
Oh,
I don't think he's alright.
to the car. Andy, it's on your side, lad. Yeah, bye. You're at fault, it's on camera. Hat trick. You can.
Whoa!
It's up to a quick boys.
Yeah,
Just see it, camera, just see Captain Caleb.
You are?
It's a good job of putting a new caliper on this side.
That's what you broke.
Yeah. Great minds think
Alright,
alike.
you want to jump down the throat even quicker?
Also, Galen thought pew board there was what to do with their Andy pew. It's all. It's all. Why is this a lose-lose? You seem so up for it.
They're like, oh, it's a win-win situation. Yeah, few by day.
I'm down for that.
Everyone's just pussies for not getting up.
Yeah. Galen turns up with a mouthful of pubes already. Right, what's the day? What's there? Sorry boys, I've got something in my teeth.
That's one of my teeth, mate.
Stupid.
Got to be back. Good
Bar.
extending bar.
Oh,
No, of a ratchet.
a pipe.
You can try and crack it up if you like. I've just been bouncing this.
Be a man. Go on, say it. You've got more weight. It's because Andy's got adamantium skeleton. Is that Wolverine? When he jumps in water, he just hits forward. He just walks along the bottom.
Hey, it's just family genetics on that stage.
Absolutely same.
Just sink.
Yeah.
You think we're joking, mate? They just
Honestly,
sing.
we get
Layman's
heavier.
just sing.
Heavier at pool. We're jumping pool, I just go.
Sliding over.
That doesn't even make sense.
You work with what you've got.
You got 14 of that?
Right, move out to it from Robert Carlo.
Well, if you want to just get yourself under it, then. Just put your head underneath it, Bob. Get yourself under and set yourself back out. Yeah. Question is where we're putting these now. I said Salisbury might be a bit sketch. I think they're actually alright at the back, they're not bad. Don't quote me on that. You're going to lay it down, we just hear two crunches and bottom carrots forward. I said don't quote me!
Ryan said they'd be alright.
Ryan says a lot of things.
We'll
take his word for it. Wouldn't have happened if it was a 5 foot. Yeah, I'm cutting his bread like that. Just go for a smidge more on that, Andy. Oh, hold on.
Pump it.
No.
No?
I think that's gone in.
Oh. Does she like it?
Pump it.
Louder.
I don't know if you want to check where I've put one on. Just in front of that bracket, it's like
What are you trying to say?
you see where I've done it?
Right, there, isn't it?
Fucking sketch.
No.
There's that hole there, isn't there? That big
Yeah,
hole.
I've done it across.
Oh, across the hole?
No.
This side and the handbrake.
Oh, there?
Yeah.
Right,
I don't know if that's going to be any good. I think she needs to go up a little bit.
Do you want it touching up a bit?
Yeah.
You ready?
Go on.
Yeah, so I can see.
Hold on.
Go on, go a bit more if you can. Right. It's in. Right, hold on.
Mate, that's good.
Start going down.
Go on.
Bloody dolly!
Right, that's off the jack.
Hold on 1 second. No one's under it, are they?
This axle stand's not really touching.
What?
I mean, you've wobbled it. How?
What's in the physics?
We put them in the same fucking spot.
There's literally... The jack's not even touching it either.
I mean, it's under.
Hold on, let me just...
Yeah, go up a bit.
Hold on, let me just... Get out. No.
Well, she's not fucking moving, and it's there. I'll get a little look, top under. Ah, go on now. Here, you can wiggle that. Safe as houses!
There we go.
Give it a slap!
Sounds like a shit tin shed.
Safe as houses, boy.
You
Not going
know,
anywhere.
you walk into a tin shed and he goes,
I can't even know what I'm doing here, pal. Oh, yeah, pal. Oh, yeah, pal, hey. Not really, no.
well, that's repair from first track day.
Nice.
On gear linkage.
Nice little bag.
That's how you properly repair one.
Just a parts bag we had laying about.
Yeah, just shoved it on top and look. Try not to go.
Oh! Double back.
What are we doing to Daddy's car?
Oh no!
Where's the drop link on there?
I dropped one here, I dropped here.
How? Why is there cement and concrete in the back?
Oh, yeah.
Because reasons. We're an over, Andy.
Yes.
Got an over. An Uber? An Uber? That's what takes you to places, doesn't it?
Uber?
Oh, here you go, Andy. Bet you didn't know what that were.
Shit, the brick, I did actually lose that.
And it's magnetic as well.
Yeah, I wondered where it got it to get another one.
Well, shit the fucking brick.
Shit the bed.
Yeah, so you take these off, slide them off and then get brackets off, yeah. Yeah, but I'll get ask her for an over brick, so.
That's when I took the wall.
Really? I've never known. Hey! Have we got an over? Can I have it? An over? Over. An over.
Over?
Over.
Over?
Over!
It's just going to be a clip of everyone saying over. It's going to be a clip of everyone just repeating over. Over? 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 I'm gone for a piss.
She can do it. Almost feels wrong not using electric guns.
Well, you could tell Andy put these in, there's a bolt missing.
Yeah, obviously.
I know they were. It's not the right fucking way. When you're finished.
When you're quite finished!
God.
Andy's had no but green.
Oh,
I know. Just put it
Invite us round.
He might as well to do some
Ever's a brews made for us and just ripping constantly.
fucking game ribs all the time. I was saying to Luke, I was saying where seatbelts are mounted and they'd be good for a fucking
Race truck race.
truck race.
Well, normally.
Even such
Normally,
like
strut racers go on that.
Yeah.
Put up at shocker, just go straight
No, but
across.
instead of buying one, I've got loads of steel, so we could make.
And you're
one.
talking there's brilliant mounting
There's
points for it.
some of that square section.
Box section.
Back at van.
I've got loads of it.
Back at van.
I've got some rectangular section and some box, and angle iron, and threaded bar, so we can build out, mate. I was thinking we could bolt it into them two, have a strut like an A-frame down, and then bolt them into here with another bar across bottom. So then you've got a double brace across back then, and we can put, if we have any 4-point harnesses or like that, we can put them into actual bracing.
I do want to get some 4 points on it.
Yeah, at some point, but there,
point, yeah.
if we put a back brace in, we've got something to mount the actual thing to it.
Something to mount.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's what we need.
And we could, if we design it up and it looks good, we could buy some stainless and then build it out of stainless.
I really wanted to.
Yeah. Well,
It's not gonna matter though, because it's inside.
Yeah, no, because we're pulling on you and stuff like that. We're breaking and that mild will flex after a while. Stainless weighing. So if we build it and it works and don't bend that much, if we make it out of stainless, it should never move. Stainless is a lot stronger.
Can't even see him. There's just shit flying out at car. Just
There'll be an empty broom will come out of it. Smash.
Oh, fuck, wrong one.
Wrong bit.
I didn't mean to throw that out, boy.
Sorry, Andy.
Taking the piss and I nearly sent it flying. Joking.
Mark, do me a favour.
what's up?
Hold this here. Right. Bear with a second. I'm going to see whether it's actually
Oh dear.
What?
Just start doing.
Galen pitches off Andy.
Just keep it and find out. They're all front of the car. Shit. Hold it! Oh, you! And he smashed me in the face. Oh, my face! It's gone over my leg.
Did the brew happen?
That's fine. Yeah, that was. Fuck's sake! Your brother. Oh, look at this Stevie! Where's me hand then? Fucking roll. I've got it here. Oh, he sounds naughty. Look at Steve doing it. Oh, smelling it all, yeah. That were not rule that way, Caleb.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, well, it ain't even cold.
Plastics. Thanks for that. Fucking smash my
That's me with that thing at me, disco compressor. Someone's fair point. No.
Have I took screws out?
Do I look like I'm the kind of guy that takes screws out?
Thing is, Andy,
What's it?
It is starting to get a bit extreme.
Right, I don't want to spill someone's brew, so who's this one?
Mine.
Right, would you like
fucking
to
spill it. Fucking spill it. He took my brew off in the back.
Just see Caleb wang my cup across the road.
There's your fucking brew.
There's
your
fucking brew. Smash the mug, we buy me another one.
Yeah.
I'd like to take the seat out, please.
Oh shit. This 13's rounding like.
13
18. She's just full of rounding bands.
See, look, she's prepared. Tie wraps are in it.
Yeah, I found all of
When
them.
she breaks down. Exactly. Efficiency. Break down, tie wraps, yeah.
It was like we were making a lap in a tidy up workshop on the day, weren't we, Caleb? And we were whipping out injector reels and stuff like that, and everything had 5 pots on it. So I wonder whose this is.
What's your point?
Yeah.
And your point is?
I just like 5 pots.
5 cylinders are always better than 4.
And 3, and 2, and you know, on some occasions they're better than 6. And 7.
Is it a 5 in that, innit, Landover? I knew it were.
Who's your mate?
Who's your mate? You know what? I was thinking the other day, like, that is a 5, isn't it? Yeah. You don't have one of them stupid moments, like, hold on a minute.
No, that was very stupid.
I know, I don't feel ashamed.
Right, so don't worry, my child.
There you go.
You shall be blessed.
Ah! We don't need that no more.
I like this.
I keep took everything out, not broke one thing. He gets in, fucks it.
And I want most of the bread things.
No, I love it, mate, because Andy's been dreading this day, stripping into you out this girl.
Go girl.
And he's the one that breaks something.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
Ah!
Oh, did it?
This has been patched.
Patch?
With what? Patch? Stevie Wonder.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Get well round.
Look away the seatbelt.
Fucking hell.
Whoa. You know, when we're using a hammer on an MOT, you lunatic.
There's also some tea down here.
Oh, see?
Fucking shit everywhere.
So you've given us a motor.
Put it on the D-badge grill.
Yeah, see?
Look at tea everywhere now.
Oh my god, it's everywhere. What are you doing? You've spilled it on the fuel pump control module.
I am Luke did. Not me.
Who is it?
No.
Not me.
Who is it?
I spilt it on Cale and it deflected off his leg on.
So what you're saying is it touched Caelan last?
Yeah, just kill that.
There's a fucking razor in here. What's a fucking razor in here for?
Who's owned this car?
Probably some fucking weird blue deal.
Likes to be trimmed before he goes for his deal.
Yeah.
You late for the deal? 1 minute.
Just having a shave.
Freshening up.
Right lads, I like this driving seat, do you?
Driving position is on point.
They always said it, you feel like you're sitting on the floor.
I feel safe though, because all doors are around me like this.
Yes,
I
looks
just
like
might need a booster seat.
it looks safe.
Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. Seat down now. Ah, I'm gonna crash. Oh no, wait, it's not Luke driving.
It's not low.
Key off. Why, hello there.
Could have sold that, you animal.
I'm trying to save things so they can be sold and earn some more money back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, all money that gets sold from it could be put back in the car, can't it?
But this door card is testing my patience.
I've got some spares in the
It's
garage.
this far from every clip being snapped on it.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, this shit fuck, mate.
It's alright, we've got a big roller gaffer, mate. We should be right.
We've got a big roller gaffer.
Excuse me, Martin.
Well,
I'm out.
fuck you.
Trim.
I mean, if I were you, Andy, I'd just leave all this out front. Some fuckers gonna take it.
Ryan, whatever you're doing, mate, is making me a bumble.
Pretty sure it's not meant to make it move. Yeah.
Also,
Doing some brakes.
we need some rear pads because these are actually stuck to the disc.
Nice. Oh, quality. They've become one.
They have become one with the disc.
They've unified like the world should. Cut out for some room!
Wait, sorry.
I can't see. Why is it wet?
Oh, it's
Why is it wet?
This went through.
Oh, man!
Oh, look at condensation!
Look at condensation inside me.
Oh, you don't realise that, do you? Until you rip roof lying down.
Yeah, about that.
Put it back up.
Don't be so shit!
Damage has been done.
Forget we're seeing out.
What's your wires? Oh, what's happening with your hair? It's starting to stand up, not smooth down.
Pass me the coal.
Come over.
Yes, go home. That broke off.
Oh, I wanted that. We're just gonna have to get a sun visor now. Sunroof, no. Sun strip. That's the one.
There you go.
Oh my god, look at condensation, mate. It's raining inside.
Have we got a wine?
We'll put that there. I'll put that there. Did I put that there?
Yeah, you put that.
Yeah, you put that there.
Fold it up and roll it up and we'll chuck it in, bag it out of the road.